I obviously I've gotten the job to make sure that we take Indian cricket forward every time, whoever it is, whether it's me or someone else. Even the guys before, their role was to take Indian cricket forward and win as many games, as many championships as possible. For me also, it'll be the same. I want to win games. I want to win championship. That is what you play for. And yeah, it'll be nice to win some titles, win some extraordinary series. But yeah, like having said that, I genuinely feel that we don't want to put too much pressure on ourselves by overthinking about these kind of stuff. As a captain, like I said, every captain wants to win championship, so I'll be no different. I also want to win championship, and that's what the sport is all about, winning championship. For me, it'll be nice if I can win 1 or 2 championships, as in when I decide to move on from this job. So it'll be nice. So we'll wait and see what happens. Tomorrow, we'll start another challenging. The next 5 days will be quite challenging for us and gives us the opportunity to win the championship. But we do understand that winning the championship is not easy. You got to do a lot of things right to win the championship. So it's always nice, because I'm somebody who's always believed that what you have in front of you, focus on that rather than thinking way too ahead, what can happen in the future, what kind of things you want to do. But yeah, there are certain things that I've set in my mind that I want to do, so hopefully I can achieve that.